ended up in her prom dress.
Cocaine! Like I was coaxed for Columbus, bruh.
The party dispersed, the parents came home and were like, there's a dead kid in my living room.
$5,000 a month, then you could live so large. I'm telling you, in some places like Guatemala, take the money, keep going, and get a full.
Excuse me, but if anybody needs to be forgiven, it's you, and I don't, and I never will. There's hardly a day I can remember that I didn't come home to an empty house.
Oh, don't be so dramatic.
While other mothers were cooking dinner, you were cooking meth.